All right, friends, Tuesday's assignment asks you to annotate a poem digitally. So I'm going to show you how to do that today in case you're confused. This will look exactly like your poem, only you'll actually have a poem here. But notice I pull out what devices you should be finding in the poem. So that should help you a little bit. Again, if you don't know what those devices are, make sure you are looking at that Quizlet review to help you out. Okay, so let's pretend like this is our poem. I read the first line and it says, "Life is like a box of chocolates." Oop, I notice that is a simile. So I'm going to come up here and choose a color for my simile. So I made it green. Now, anytime in the poem I see a simile, I would highlight that green. So this one's a simile. Go back up to your highlighter, make that green. So that's one part of annotation, is showing that you know what device is being used and that you can identify those devices. The most important part, though, is showing your own thoughts, right? That's your analysis. So make sure you're doing both. For your actual poem, you need to find at least 3 devices and identify those and show 3 pieces of thought. So for example, you could say, life is full of choices. One shouldn't let the risk of something bad happening prevent him or her from taking chances. So if we're comparing that to chocolate, right? When you open that box and you don't have the key to it and you accidentally pull out the gross coconut one, that probably doesn't stop you in the future from trying again for the caramel, right? You don't want the bad to stop you from doing the good. Okay, moving on to the poem. Sarah savagely smashed 7 cereal bowls to the ground. Hopefully you heard that, right? That's our alliteration. So you're going to make that a different color. And again, make sure you highlight it up here too. If you don't highlight both, I have no idea purple to you means alliteration or whatever color you chose. So again, you need to include your analysis. In this case, I might say the sound device helps emphasize Sarah's aggression. Okay, and that's what you would do. If there are any study guide questions, you'll have one on your poem. Make sure you answer those before you go up to the top and click turn in. Okay, if you have any questions about how to do this or you need more clarification, please reach out to me immediately.